sub member at the moment right now. Applies it and the top here for 60 seconds, or flash here. And then we are going to use this. I have this from my subscription box as well. Well, it was a little bit busy, a lot of products here, but I want to show you my sub box right here. Well, a lot more. I don't know how I can show it. It doesn't look good at all. Well, you can find out more information on the website. And you can grab all of this for yourself for such a really an awesome sub member price. All right, so flash here for that one, I'm going to go ahead and use Premium iHo Transfer Foil. And I am gonna do is apply it right in angle of this, because I just want that part to be chamfer here for 30 seconds, and I'm going to use that one. This one is so simple and easy. It's already done, and then you just need to do it, put your precision glue gels on it, and then you're good to go. You can create so many. This is one of us really fun and simple flowers. You can do rose, you can do plumeria, all different sort of cute flowers, and super simple and easy, and it's wrapped really nice into the nails. All right, so oh my gosh, that's awesome. Angela, we can't wait for you to come. For all of us who is happen to be in the town, we're gonna post the dates, so then you all can and then you can come, like even learning hand-ons with us. All right, so press it, and look at that. It's already transferred. Like I didn't even using my tweezer yet, and it's already transferred. Beautiful. Okay, move it on the side for the second. And I'm gonna using not solids, I'm going to using Weaver gels again. It happened that I have the whites right here, but there's 16 colors. We're gonna be in between the transitioning, so then the summer products in some places. So I'm going to pick the Weaver gels. So with Weaver gels, it's only doing it the fun nail arts, like making stringy designs instantly, but it can't, you can't use it for painting, because it's a painting, then you want to using gel painting, not the Weaver gel. Okay, flash here. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Nene. Thank Mama Vix. Thank you. Thank you, Shelby. Okay, so let's move this. And I have this really cool 4D gel right here, which is cacao. And I am going to, I picked like a 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 of them a little bit bigger size, and then 4 is about the right size. And going to do oh my god, that will be stunning, huh? See that? I'm gonna use this one, if you can see it. Square Crocs frame. I think it's one of my favorite frame. It's so adorable and like it's so cool. So I am going to top coat it again. We're gonna top this first. Before that, before we completely top, I'm gonna do condensed glue gels. I'm gonna put the centerpiece in here first, okay? Just right here. And then we are going to top coat completely the nails, because when you're doing your 4D gels, you want to coat completely the nails and let it cure for 30 seconds. So then that it will grab your 4D gel absolutely perfect in one place. All right, cure for 30 seconds. Hold on, I'm sorry. Don't forget to add this one on. Just angle it. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay. How's everyone doing today? Happy Friday. I can't wait. Did I say Friday earlier, or did I say Thursday? Did I say Thursday?
Friday, I think. No, I think you said Friday.
Oh, okay. Gosh, I can't keep track of the dates. I'm sorry if I do, but I mean Friday. Thank God it's Friday. But for a lot of us. All right, so I'm gonna do is on just like opposite side. And then I'm gonna add one more right there. And then one's right there. You can do any colors. There's 24 colors for us to place with. So pressed and release. Oh my gosh, Dom. That's why you can't even know what day it is. Me too, sometimes got lost of the date. Press down and release. Oh my god, this is so, I feel like it's like the 3D flowers. Nail artists never have been that easy. You know what? I used to struggle with a 3D acrylic so hard, and I am dying and want to learn this so bad. I even like getting a Play-Doh and have given an ideas at how I can sculpting that flowers. And I was dreaming of one of this day I can able to do it's like a 3D flowers. That will be awesome. Press down and release. And see, and I find out the way after 4 years to doing it. I keep practicing and I will give up, and my flowers looks a mess. See, and I find out this. I've been sharing it for so many times with so many of my staff, my student, and I'm so happy. It can be like struggle for real, but then let's have 4D gels. Consistency is just absolutely. We want to make it so easy for whether you are a long time forever nail techs or you are like beginner nail tech. We don't want you to have to be struggling with doing your 3D flowers designs. Your client's like, oh, I want it. Can I have it? Sure. And then if you feel like a little bit scared for this one, right? Flash key it first. Then you can do another beads on it. I'm going to add just another beads on the top. Remember, do not go too aggressive. Just really gentle touch, like you are touching your feathers when you take care of the baby. That's all. Don't go too aggressive. And another one. press it down and then spread it on the side. Just really promise if you are doing it like this one right now or later, it's gonna be exactly the same emotion that I'm doing. It's not gonna give you any hard time at all. It's so easy. Wait, I'm gonna flash gears really quick because I'm gonna do on the both sides one more. Really quick 10-second flash gear. I'm gonna get 2 more beads, 2 small beads, and only basically just roll it like this. And you make 1 bead, and then you can make smaller, bigger, however you want. The clients want tiny, little, smaller flowers, the petals, then do smaller petal. The clients want more bigger, then do it bigger. Pick it and puts it right in the tips of your brush. Leave it right there. And another one. Press down and release. Press and release. Press and release. Like really effortless. Same thing with this. Here you go. You have your super cute flowers. All right, I'm gonna flash cue quick, 30 seconds. And then we'll put some crystal on it and it's good to go. Where is my baby? Right here. Okay, it's this one. Right here. Oh, I got us gorgeous of like have yellows, banana yellow right there. I think it's gonna fit perfect with mine. Okay, great. So we are going to do in the first step from our crystal trifecta. So we're gonna start with the condensed glue gels, but in this time I don't use my twin tip brush because I just want it just right here. And we are going to add the no wipe top coat. If you want to see a lot of like a dramatic crystal blings out, checks out a lot of my others video as well. In this video we have mostly for the 40 gel. I'm trying to probably find the smaller one, it will fit in this. Yeah, perfect. All right, so here for 60 seconds.